Taurus, what's poppin'? Song that's playing for you is bad, bad, bad. Alright? So you may be involved in some shit done went south. Alright, you made an investment, you enacted an idea, you dabbled in a habit, you jumped in your desires a little bit and shit went south. Alright, you thought shit would be sweet based upon an action you took. You thought you would be seen in high praise. You thought an idea was a good idea. Now this could be you dealing with somebody or somebody dealing with you. A situation you involved with went bad for you or bad for somebody outside of you. You feel me? Something going south though. Something ain't good. Got to find out though. Look, I'm telling you, something a little heavy on you. Whether it's something heavy on your consciousness, it got you in your head more than outside in your experience, or you did something and that's a burden on you. You took on more responsibilities at work, even though you knew taking on those responsibilities at work wasn't going to do nothing for you. It's like it ain't increase your pay, but you still took the burden type shit. You feel me? You still manifested this. Don't act like you wasn't being a wizard. Don't act like you wasn't showing out at work, showing that you could do everything, so them motherfuckers made you do everything. You feel me? And they ain't even pay you for it. Now you mad. Now you being toxic regarding how you work. When you clock in, you don't clock in the same way because you got a heavier load than everybody else. How you gonna be mad when this is what you wanted? I don't know though. We about to find out. Look, death. First card out. You bringing an end to something. Alright, you done stealing, you done lying as far as your communication. Look, you at one point you was manifesting toxic. You was being toxic in order to obtain something. But now you blew the horn on something. Whether this is regarding how you feel about something, you done feeling a certain way, you done acting a certain way, you done talking to these people, you done working at this job, something changing. And I don't know if now is this by choice. Look, you may be being defensive towards something now, or something is putting you in a state of defense. That's why you flipping the script on them. Look, shit about to get ugly. That's the song that's playing for you. Regarding you done stealing and you done being immature regarding your ideas and mentalities, or just how you manifest. I heard the gig is up. Look, now somebody outside of you may not be happy about this, or you not happy about this. It's like a death occurred, and it's like you had no control over this transformation. Look, now this could be regarding you lying or someone lying to you, putting someone in a defensive state. So you lied to someone, now that person's defensive towards you. You don't like the fact that they're defensive towards you. Now that's changed. Overall, that's changed the whole relationship, right? Or someone lied to you, now you're defensive towards this person. This person doesn't like the fact that you're ending the situation with them. You feel me? You gotta take it how it go for you. Whether you mad and people can see you mad about something, it's like something's changing in your life, something you don't have control over, and you don't like it. Or you changing something that involves someone outside of you and they don't like it. If you're dealing with an external situation. So this is like, look, you may be done acting immaturely, or it's like you may be done accepting immature ideas, mentalities, and habits, and or talking to immature people, accepting immature emotions from people, and that putting them on display with your emotions only fucked up your emotions. So it's like you cutting people out of your life, you being defensive to those who don't meet certain requirements for your circle, you feel me? Or for just what you want, you feel me? In order to be a winner, you gotta hang with winners. If you hanging with losers, you're gonna be the sixth loser, you feel me? But that, or you were being immature, you made an immature investment, and because of that, you are put in a state of defense. But you defending against death, you feel me? You can't not go through something that's occurring to you right now. And now maybe you want to move fast, or something's coming fast towards you. Shit about to get ugly. That was the song that's playing for you. It's over though. Look, Wheel of Fortune, you on the bad side of karma. That's it. That's all. Look, this is back on the split regarding some lies. It's like because someone lied to you or you lied to someone, you are being put in a state to defend yourself against death, which you can't defend yourself against. And that's putting you in a state of projecting negative emotions. Or when you internalize things, you internalize everything negatively. You can't receive good no more. You can only receive bad type shit. And that's because you are on the wrong side of karma. The song that's playing is Yes Indeed. That or this is somebody towards you. You end in a situation, somebody don't like that, but this is the karma for this situation. It's like a situation went sour, forcing you had no choice but to end it. Like, I can't do this anymore. Not, oh, we can try again. There was none of that. You was like, nah, this is a period. They don't like that, but that's karma. Baby, I'ma fuck with you.